Hello kids, this is Komal Sharma. Welcome to our channel. Today again I'm here to teach you science. Today's topic is adaptation in animals. Today's topic is adaptation in animals. So before we will start our class, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it, like and share the videos among your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for our latest notification. So let's start. Children, think and tell me, what do we need to survive? What are the basic things that we need to survive or to live a life? Food, yes. Meher, you tell me. Water, very good. Anything else except food and water? Yes, air and shelter, very good. So, these are the basic things that we need to survive. Number one is food, water, air, shelter, and the place that provides the basic things to survive is called its habitat. So what is habitat? The place that provides the basic things like food, water, air, and shelter to survive is called its habitat. Now the next question is, what is adaptation? Kasat, tell me, when the weather gets cold, which type of clothes do you wear? Very good. Woolen clothes. And when it is so hot? Yes, cotton clothes. So those are both ways of adapting to your habitat. When we are feeling cold, we are wearing woolen clothes. In the same way, when we are feeling hot, we are wearing cotton clothes. Means we are adapting ourselves according to our condition of the environment. So adaptation means the modification or change in an organism body or behavior that helps it to survive is called adaptation. Now let's see in adaptation in animals. Here are some pictures of the animals. What is this? You're right, penguin. It's camel. Also tell me where penguins can live. Where do they live? Yes, penguins are live in polar region where the weather is very cold. In the same way, camels can live in desert, but it cannot survive in a cold place. In the same way with penguin, penguin can also not survive in a desert area. Okay. Fish can live in water, but not on land. These special features on an animal's body are adaptation according to their habitat. Sometimes animals also bring changes in their behavior, their eating habits, etc. All these changes can take place over millions of years. Okay, over millions of years. When some animals could not change themselves, those group of animals died out and become extinct. For example, dinosaur, dodo. These are the animals we are not able to see now. Are you able to see dinosaur in the zoo or in forest? No, because they become extinct. Animals adapt themselves in the following ways. They're adapting for habitat, for food habits, for protecting themselves, a special adaptation. Today we will talk about their habitat. Animals can be divided into different groups as per their habitat. Number one, terrestrial animals. Number one, terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land. Land means either on surface of the ground or in burrow, means below the ground, are known as terrestrial animals. The examples are tiger, snake, cow, elephant. These are the examples of terrestrial animals because these animals live on land. The features of these animals are they have strong legs and it helps them to cover long distances in search of food and water. Snakes do not have legs, they have scales in their body that helps them to crawl. Their keen sense of smell, sharp eyesight, sharp teeth, strong legs, their claws, their body color help them to prey on other animals. So, what are terrestrial animals? Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. The examples are Tiger, snake, cow, elephant, and other examples like dogs, cats, zebras, cheetahs, camels, horses, they all are comes under terrestrial animals. Now, adaptation for surviving extreme heat means desert area. Desert are areas on land that are very hot during the day and very cold at night. Okay, and there is very little water and food because of less rainfall. Some examples of the animals that live in desert are camel, scorpion, desert tortoise, kangaroos, rat, rattlesnake are some examples of animals living in desert. Camel is called the ship of desert. Okay, here are some features of camels which help him to survive in desert areas. See, this is called camel's hump. This is called hump. Fat is stored in the hump, helps it to provide energy during long period when it does not have excess food and water. So here it is stored fat which helps him to survive when it does not have food and water. Camel's skin. Thick skin and less hair on their body helps to prevent water loss from their body. Okay, their skin helps to prevent water loss from their body. Nostrils. Nostrils can be closed during a strong sandstorm to prevent entering of sand into the nostrils. Padded feet. Toes are joined together to prevent sinking into the sand. Okay. Camels' padded feet. Toes are joined together to prevent sinking into the sand. Camel's legs are long, strong. Keeps its body away from the hot sand and also helps to cover long distances in search of food. So what are the features that helps camel to survive in desert areas? One is hump. Here it is stored fat. It helps when it does not have excess food and water. Nostrils can be closed during a strong sandstorm to prevent entering of sand into the nostrils. Padded feet, toes are joined together to prevent sinking into the sand. Skin, thick skin and less hair on their body helps to prevent water loss from their body. Legs. Legs are long and strong, keeps its body away from the hot sand and also helps to cover long distances in search of food and water. Now let's see adaptation for surviving extreme cold means polar region. Animals living in cold region have fur on their body, have fur on their bodies to protect them from cold. Penguins and polar bear have a thick layer of fat called blubber. Called blubber. The thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to keep them warm. Okay, to keep them warm. So their main features are their fur on their body to protect them from cold and thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to keep them warm. Let's talk about our second type of animals that are aquatic animals. Can you tell me some names of the animals that live in water? Fish, okay. Turtles, very good. Whales, yes. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. So what are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water. Let's see some examples. Examples of aquatic animals. Dolphin, crab, turtle, fish, duck. Most of their features are most of them breathe through gills. These are the gills. Most of them breathe through gills except like whales and dolphins breathe through lungs. Okay, most of the aquatic animals have fins or limbs to help them swim. Their streamlined body, their streamlined body in fish to help them to cut water and move easily. Fish have scaly skin. The scales on their skin are waterproof. Okay. Aquatic birds like duck, geese have webbed feet. This is called webbed feet, which helps them to push water back while swimming. Let's talk about our third type of animal, that is amphibians. Amphibians are the animals that can live both on land and in water. Examples of amphibians are salamander, nut, frog. Their features are they have limbs to help in swim. Okay, some of them have webbed feet. Webbed feet. Some of them have webbed feet and tail to help them in swimming. They breathe through their moist skin. Through their moist skin. When they are in water, okay, when they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. Okay, so what are their features? They have webbed feet and tail to help them in swimming. They breathe through their moist skin when they are in water, and when they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. Next is number 4 type of animal, that is aerial animals. Aerial animals can fly, means birds, some insects, and bats are examples of aerial animals. These are the examples: butterfly, bat, bird. These are the examples of aerial animals. Their forelimbs are modified as wings. See, these are the wings. Okay, it helps them to fly. They also have feathers that keep them warm and help during flight. Their body is very light and it consists of hollow bones. It consists of hollow. Their boat shape, see, it's a shape like boat. Okay, their boat. Okay, their boat shape helps them. Their boat shape helps them to cut through the air and fly easily. See, shape is like a boat, no? It helps them to cut through the air and fly easily. Here are some more birds that cannot fly. Some birds like ostrich, kiwi, penguins cannot fly. They are known as flightless bird. They are known as flightless bird. Let's talk to our last type of animal, that is arboreal animals. Arboreal animals spend most part of their lives on trees. They eat, they sleep, and play in the tree canopy. Let's see some examples. Opossum, sloth, squirrel, monkeys are the examples of arboreal animals. What are their features? Many arboreal animals have long limbs. Limbs, see. Okay, that allow them to swing efficiently from branch to branch. They can easily swing. Okay, some of them have long tails which can grasp branches and act as an extra limb. See, this monkey's tail. Spider monkeys, opossums, and use their tails to move and balance themselves in the tree. Okay. Animals living in trees like a squirrel, see this is a squirrel, require a strong grip so that they don't fall off. They have strong feet and claws. They have strong feet and claws. Their feet and claws become adapted for grasping, holding any object. Okay. Their fingers and thumb are shaped in such a way that they can hold the branches firmly. See. So these are the examples of arboreal animals. Arboreal animals spend most part of their lives on trees. Now let's recall all these things with the help of one activity. So how many types of animals we studied today? According to their habitat, terrestrial animals, animals that live on land. Number two, aquatic animals, animals that live on water. Very good. Number third, amphibians are the animals that can live both on land and in water. Aerial animals can fly. And the last one is arboreal animals, animals that spend most part of their lives on trees. Let's do a first activity. Here, read the clues and guess the answers. Okay, I'll read first. This animal lives in burrow. Tell me any animal name who lives in burrow. Number two is this is a bird but cannot fly. Okay, number third, it has fins and it breathes through gills. Number four, it has moist skin and can live both in water and on land. Do it and tell me the answer. Yes, you're right. This animal lives in burrow, snake. Correct answer. Right. Snake is the right answer. Snake lives in burrow. Except a snake, there are so many animals that lives in burrow, like rabbits, rats. This is a bird but cannot fly. Ostrich. Good. Correct. It has fins and it breathes through gills. Fish. Very good. It has moist skin and can live both in land and water. Frog. Correct answer. Let's do one more activity. That is your home activity. You have to do it in your home and next day I will check. Let's read it. Give two examples of the following animals and aquatic habitat. Tell me the answer. Dolphin, yes. Fish, very good. Animals in polar region. Bear and polar bear. Okay. And penguins, very good. Animals that live on trees. Yes. What? Koalas, monkeys, very good. Animals that live on land. This is so easy. Cows, very good. Tiger, good. So do this homework in your copy. And next day I will check. So thank you class and have a great day.